Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Indian-style soup dumplings at home. First, let's prepare our dough. You will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and about half a cup of warm water. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, then knead the dough for approximately 10 minutes until it becomes wonderfully smooth and elastic. Once kneaded, cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender wrapper. Now, let's create the heart of our dumplings, the flavorful Indian filling. Begin by sautéing 1 cup of finely minced onions, ginger, and garlic until fragrant. Then stir in a teaspoon of aromatic garam masala. Next, combine 1 pound of ground chicken or finely chopped vegetables with a 1/4 cup of solidified chilled broth. This firm broth is the secret to achieving that delightful burst of warm, savory soup inside each dumpling. With our dough and filling ready, it's time for the exciting assembly process. Take small portions of your rested dough and roll them into thin, round wrappers, each about 3 inches in diameter. Place approximately 1 tablespoon of the chilled, flavorful filling right in the center of each wrapper. Now, carefully pleat and seal the edges of the dough, working your way around to create a beautiful, tightly enclosed dumpling parcel. Finally, let's cook and enjoy our homemade Indian-style soup dumplings. Arrange your beautifully assembled dumplings in a steamer basket, making sure to leave a little space between each one to prevent sticking. Steam them over vigorously boiling water for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the wrappers appear translucent and the filling is thoroughly cooked. Serve these delightful parcels immediately with a spicy mint chutney or a tangy tamarind dipping sauce for an unforgettable experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.